Hey everyone, and welcome back to Stephanie Reacts. Well, it's here. As you've seen from my good news and bad news video, I said to you I was going out to get a new laptop. And that's what I did. And there it's there. I've not unopened it yet, so I don't know what it looks like. I just told the lassie what I want. I'll give her the price and the size of it and how much memory and all that, and she picked this for me. So, yeah, I've got my own new laptop. But, I've got some good news for yous. As soon as I literally arrived home, I got a phone from the engineer from my old laptop. He saved all my edits, he has. And saved some of my music and photos. So, brilliant, I've got all my edits. That is good news, it is. But the episodes, you couldn't save. So I can easily just download them again. But yeah, everything's coming back together for me. But this isn't an ordinary talk or update or that or reaction. This is an unboxing. You've all seen the camera moving, choppy, like back forward, facing me, facing away and all that. And putting it to the side and stuff. I will open my new laptop for you to let you see what the laptop looks like. And my reaction to it. Because I do not know what it looks like. Because I said to the last night, she just got me at. Because I said to have one like that just. So, I don't know what the one this looks like. So, here we go. Right. I'll try not to let this happen, but it happened to my other one. And this is an up-to-date one. This is Windows 11. The laptop I had, what I was using for my reactions, was Windows 7. So it's a big leap it is, from Windows 7 to Windows 11. 4 windows up. It's like a house. 4 windows up. Try and see what that means. That'd be sign about the batteries. Probably dead batteries, bin them or something. Or whatever. It's a hazard sign anyway, but that's the back of it. Oh, now you press stop on the camera there, see? That's what it is. A Lenovo. You probably see more in my house, you all, when I'm moving this over. So you can say you'll see random things, and you'll see me most of the time, but I got everything TV, got Netflix on. But I'm gonna have you facing my TV for a second, like that. The now wait, like that. The now until I get something to open this box, my laptop box. So I'll be back in a second, everyone. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, a pair of scissors. Just to remove the sellotape from the box. In 1 second, I've got a phone call. Hi, can I phone you back in 5 minutes?
Huh?
Can I phone back in 5 minutes? Alright, I'm on your laptop, aren't I? Right, sorry about that, I had to cut the camera, I got a phone call that I had there. As you've seen. So, as I was saying, let's do an opening. I don't know if that's the right... I'll see if there's any other way to open it first. Ah, there. An easier way to open it. Let's go with my harder way. One second. There we go. I think that'll be opened, it is. Get ready to be surprised. Same as me. I do not know what this looks like. I don't either. So this is my reaction to an unboxing. Not a mystery unboxing because I know it's a laptop. But I don't know what kind, so. Watch this. I buy this and it falls on the floor. A waste of money it would be. And there's the plug, I'm guessing. 1 second. There's something else in that power pack. Should we just give you a plug? If we did, that'd be messed up. A plug, nothing to plug the wire into. Right, I'm going to put these down again. So you can see they'll be a wee bit choppy. Yeah, I'm trying to find the right space for these. Oops. Yeah. The camera keeps moving itself. Yeah, I think that's the eye. This way you get to see what I'm doing. Move these. Laptop's upside down. Sorry for the choppiness there, but I have to get space to move my 2 hands. I have to. Good job, this is foam. Not polystyrene. I hate polystyrene. That's the second. Whoops. Oh, is this right? Oh, your basket. You won't see it undone. You won't know it until whenever. But I'll just show you how it looks. How flat it is and smooth. It looks like got a little bit there. Let me see if it's easily opened or do I have to press it, or it is easily opened. I thought that was a baby button or something. Oh, 1 second. And there's the screen. Ba 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 ba. And there's the keys. The one of the keys I had seen, that was like all yellow. The one I had. So that is, wow. I wonder what that QR code is for. And it's an Intel Core. I don't know if that's a good one or not, but oh no, for my last laptop, it was a compact, Windows 7. So, I know nothing about up-to-date laptops. And I'm guessing, I don't know if the battery is, or what. My old laptop, the battery was knackered. Always had to keep it plugged in 24/7. So I'll see if I can get it. Oh, I guess the on button there. Oh, don't tell me I see another laptop I have to keep plugged in 24/7, is it? Focus. Focus. There we go. I'm trying to press the button. Holding it in T. What's going on? I know it's not plugged in, but you would expect a laptop to have a battery pack or something. Because like, right down that line there, is where my Windows 7 battery was. Right there. And then gets a memory card slot. If it is, that's brilliant. I can use that for my camera. My memory card bit. See if there's got any earphones sockets. There's no, I want to use the USB port. I think that's an earphone socket. And that'll be the power outlet. That'll be the power outlet there. Ooh. Yeah, I forget that one. USB, no, Oh wait, I forget what I'm trying to see what that's called. Let's see of the camera. HDMI. That's it, I can connect my Nintendo Switch to this. If I can probably do live streams maybe. Oh, that would be brilliant. What is that? That reconnection for? Like it says, I can't find where the battery pack is. Or if it's got a battery pack. Okay, 1 minute. I did say you're not going to see it switched on, but I want to see it on a day. And thank you if anybody's still here watching this. I know I'm a menace, but this is an unboxing. But I'm trying to open. I don't want to snap that wee cord. So I've got scissors. I could easily just put it through and snap it. But I'll untwist it just in case something doesn't work. This way I can just tie it back up. So what kind of unboxing would it be if I didn't film it? And I hope the camera's got a laptop. No, it's not a laptop. Please remove. I'm guessing that's the camera there. I'll see how good the camera is first. If the camera's good, I won't be using this camera that I'm on now. I'll be using the laptop. Because that's got like ultimate memory kind of thing. As I need to find a camera program maybe, or less, whatever. Kind of thing. I can do multiple reactions at one time. I don't have to worry about the battery, I don't. See, you see about this one? There. I'm still trying to get this open with one hand. I think I've got it, maybe not, I've done it. I need to see what way it's done, so... 1 minute, everybody. What are you doing there? Oh, your laptop. 1 minute. There we go. You're sitting on my new laptop, this needs 2 hands, I'm guessing. Aye, see the second wire there? It's hidden. And yeah, that's it off. Wire it up. There's the power pack. Right, let's go just this. Velcro. Velcro's an 1980s thing. You see people with Velcro, 80s, 90s. People with Velcro wallets and stuff. That. You pull the thing off. A lot of people love that sound. I like Velcro. Velcro doesn't annoy me, doesn't it? But I hate it. It's so scratchy. If this works, I may actually take. Actually, I'll make it the new just. No, it won't fit. I was going to say, take this Velcro off the plugs. But I'll plug this in to the laptop and goes there. Is it plugged in? Oh, I need to put in what your adapter plug in. And, well, people in America, that's what a UK plug socket looks like. This. That's a multi-adapter plug. This is, it's got a socket there. It's got a socket there. It's got a socket up top. So that's why, this is my phone charger. So I'll just plug that up top, I can. You've probably seen multi-adapter plugs, or probably got one. But it'll look a lot different from this one, it does. So there we go. And, whoops. Oh, I was going to plug it in, but we've got a bit of plastic on it for the safety. See? Safety plugs. So if children, put in the moose or children do that, they won't get hurt it because of this thing. That's for safety. I'm not sure if I've done it either, but let's show. Plug that into there, so I've got 2 plugs. Or if I wanted to, I could shove it in the bottom. Then shove another plug. Get that up to the top. See plugs? Actually, that's my phone plug, the top one is. The bottom's just like an extra plug. Toss it over there now. And I'll take the phone one out. Actually, no, I'll leave the phone in. Because I need that for my phone. And my wire for my phone. Right. Come on. There we go. And right, here we go. And we have left off. Lenovo. Look how good the screen is. I'm not going to go through the whole setup with these. I'm just going to go through this wee start bit, then I'm going to end it. For this, I'll need to put a password in. Then I'll need to set everything up, and that could take an hour. So I'm not going to record a whole hour. Then let the reactions start. Because if the camera's brilliant on this laptop, wow, wait. I'm not used to all this because I'm used to the other thing. United States, where's the keyboard? They're thinking that I. No, UK. There. Like I said, I'm not used to any of this. Thing. Because when I started my laptop, it's everything in the middle, and it showed you 4 stuff. Is this method... No, is this the right keyboard layout? US, not UK. But anyway, everyone, thank you for watching this unboxing to my laptop. Like I said, I'll either start my reactions this week, or it'll be next week it will. Because I have to take this laptop, this new one, into the shop on the 19th of that, I think. Because to get the memory stick's got all my reactions and whatever else on it, it's costing me £45. That is. So, yeah. That's a good thing to get all that back. But if I do start making reactions, I'll make it on this laptop. And I'll try to get some copies in my old one I will. By just remaking them up. But yeah, everyone. So thank you for watching this little reaction. And I'll see you again. So, have a good day. Oh, 1 minute. I had yesterday. Look at me when I did it. Yeah, everyone, so thank you for watching this reaction, for me like opening a box. So have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend, stay safe out there everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye lovelies.